In today's video, I'll teach you how to add another account on Edits. First of all, launch open Edits application. You can see over here I've opened it. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add another account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option logout that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option log out again. Now after you do that, you'll be logged out of this particular account. Now in order to add another account, tap on this option switch accounts that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to switch the Instagram accounts. If you want to add another account, tap on this option login with another Instagram account. Now once you do that, you'll have to enter the username, email or mobile number and password over here. So simply tap on the field of username, email or mobile number and enter the credential over here. After you do that, enter the password. Now tap on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into another account. If you want to switch the accounts, you can simply log out of this account. After you do that, tap on this option switch accounts. Now you'll be able to see all the added accounts over here. Tap on the account that you would like to switch to and you'll be logged into that account. So that is how you add another account on Edits. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.